Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
A girl was making tea in a kettle. Her brother gave milk to a kitten. She said, "Hearing is caring." Kitten purred happily.
Let's meet with new sounds.
K, k, k.
Let's do actions with me.
Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky.
Every object has an initial sound. Like
Kettle, key, kitten. K, k, kettle. K, k, key. K, k, kitten. Dear kids, what do you know about the kittens? How many kittens are there in this picture?
see you in the next lesson.